Okay, team, welcome back. And now we are 7. And then, okay, we are 7. And then what I'm gonna do is, okay, Musa. Okay, Musa. Oh, I shared a goal setup yesterday of a buy, and it did buy. I just got busy. Oh my God. It buyed like nobody's business. And then right now, I think German 30 is going to have that movement at 10 o'clock. So I'm going to look at German 30, and it has been buying today. Oh, this setup that I'm missing, my God. So good. Yeah, German 30 guys, this thing is so good. And it was buying since morning. Yo, I missed it. It has been buying since morning. So, but I think I can still have a chance. And then, Mr. Tabo, did I send a setup of German 30 yesterday? Like on our group? Sure.
No, King. It was golden Nasdaq that we
Nasdaq.
were busy with. Like, yes.
Like German 30 has been buying. So yeah, but we'll focus more on them. Yeah, I just hope that after this week, we'll have more focus. But and then more people are joining. And Paul. Okay, guys. Basically, if you're not here on the previous meeting, actually, I needed the whole team to be here. Those who are on the key level strategy and those who are on advanced group, just to actually share with you the vision as I've been doing previously. And then right now, I want to give anyone a platform, like to ask a question or whatsoever they have, like in a way, and then I'll take it from there. So 2 people had actually spoke previously, and then yeah, I'm waiting for others. Then I'll be writing down, but I'm analyzing as I'll be writing. I'm using my phone just to analyze German 30. Okay, team, you can talk. Feel free. Yeah, I think German 30 looking at H4 and where it had reached, I think we will have a buy. I believe we'll have a buy. We just have to find a good entry. I'll send this setup which I'm seeing on our mentorship, on our advanced group, I mean. And then on the other one, I think we can just drop the signal. Yeah, and then people will see this, because on this trend which I'm analyzing, it contains what I spoke about, that the impulse move and correction. So usually on German 30, Mr. Penwell, I think I told you that you can check a young man on YouTube called Disiva Mutupi. Like, he loves that patterns of the impulse move and correction. So, but even me right now, I'll do them just for you to see the example on how it's done and everything. Okay, guys, you can talk, because if you don't talk, I will continue talking if you don't talk. Good morning, guys. First time in the meeting. Okay, Kolani, we understand. Okay, it's fine. So yeah, over to you guys, over to you. Guys, you're no longer talking to me. Or maybe I should just pray. Maybe it's because I never prayed. I will start praying for when we start because you guys are quiet now. Okay. Okay. I say something.
Okay. No, no, no.
I don't know. Is everything okay, guys? Two people have spoken, Pam and Penwell. Then you guys are struggling. You guys are having a challenge. Talk. All right. Okay, in 2 minutes time, if there's no anyone to say something, I'll just go to the key level and then I don't know because I'm giving you guys an opportunity to talk, but you're quiet. Mr. Penel, can you please say something? I just want to see something if whether Mr. Penel say something.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I'm just hoping to hear from others as well. Sometimes I feel, hey, I'm hogging the space and a chance for others. I do have something to ask.
Yeah, okay, not a problem. Thank you, but I'm shocked because we still have got people, but nobody's saying anything. Even if you ask about advanced course, what is happening, what is our goal, ask something. Okay, the guys are typing. It's also my first time. Need to catch up. Okay.
Hi, coach. Hi, coach.
Hey, how are you, Champ? How are you, Champ? How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Yes, as for me, I'll say I don't have challenges on the key level, so I'm just keen to get in the advanced stuff, the demand and supply. So I'm just keen to learn that, and no complaints so far.
Okay, and then so far, in terms of the advance, have you gone through the PDF of the demand and supply?
Yes, I've gone to the PDF. I can see those rally based drop based rally.
Yes, yes.
I just need maybe something practical because I'm trying to apply it, but I'm struggling. So I think maybe if we can do it practical with you, then I can see some of the stuff. Okay,
I give you a word. After this one, we'll go to the advance. As long as I'm having my phone, and then I think I can manage. I can manage. I'm learning to multitask now. It's fine. We'll cover those basics of demand and supply. And then, okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Pedal, I think you can ask. You can ask, please.
Okay. My challenge was when you're looking for a key level and you find that the price is already on a downtrend, let's say for crash, and it's already going down, it's dropping, and you can't find where it has rejected before. What do you do in such a case? You just wait for it to form the first rejection on current price, or how do you just let it wait for it to reverse naturally?
Let it go. Like my advice is your mentor. I would say let it go. There's this saying in trading whereby it says that like do not chase a boat which has left the shore. It's like do not run after a trade whereby maybe if it has already left our entry points. If like something has been selling for a long time, trust me, if you can just jump into a sell, you might be on the wrong side, and then the price reverses against you for a long time, and then you end up in a bigger loss. That's why I love what we are dealing with at the moment on demand and supply, because if you can look at that concept, it teaches you to be patient because of what? If maybe the demand like the buyers are already in the middle, you don't take a buy in the middle, because you might take it maybe on the wrong middle side, and then you find that it can reverse going down. So if the price it's on the middle of the demand, we wait for the supply. So once it has reached our previous supply, that's where we catch a sale. So in that case, I'll say that if it has already left like that, leave it and then find another one. Let's find another one.
All right.
Thank you. Oh, okay. You know what's the difficult thing now, guys, as I'll be going to the chats? Remember, Kulani, I can't hear you very well. But whenever you talk behind the background, like the guy you're with, I was hearing him asking you that, what are you doing? What is the training? But whenever you talk, it's like your voice is like down, like, and then yeah, like that. Yeah. Like there's a challenge with your mic.
I think it's more of his connection, not
Yes.
necessarily the mic.
The mic,
It's got a
okay.
slow connection.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I don't know how he was gonna resolve that one. Maybe you can just try and move around more.
Yeah. Thanks. Okay, guys, basically I won't waste time now because people, they don't want to talk. I'll just go to the chat and then show you what I need to show you on the key level. And then after here, those are on the advance for mentorship, please be available on the next Zoom. We will deal with some things of advanced mentorship. But for now, I don't know what's the other people's struggle and stuff, but I believe that there are guys who are new, and then the new guys I'll make sure that I cover. And then WakeFX, I don't know, I'm not sure if I see his work, WakeFX, I don't know. I'm just, but there are some guys who are new. So yeah, it's their first time to attend our Zoom meeting. So basically I must take them through. But those who have been here for a long time, guys, pull up your socks. That's all I can say for now. So let me just go to the chat. Let me share screen. And then let me just share the screen. Okay. I hope you guys can see. Chat. Okay, guys, so where am I? This was boom. And then if you can look at boom. It's on H4. But if you can look here, I just want to show you guys the simplicity of this thing. If you can look here, it's like basically here. This was actually our key levels, like on this scenario here, on this one here, on the touch there. That was our key level on H4. And then price, but it reversed from there. And then if you can look at here, so that's why at times you see that we have got a buy limit 1, buy limit 2, it's because of this. Then this one was our second key level. So even though price did not reverse, it went down a bit, but it did reverse. And then basically, this is it. This is the key level which I'm talking about every day and every night. There, another confirmation of a touch on the H4. So that's basically the key level. And then you put your pending orders there, buy limit 1, buy limit 2. You are done. Simplicity. There's no need for you to be looking for robots while these things are just easy. They will scam you. I was on Facebook today, and then I was just seeing that somebody sold someone a system, and then I think for 300, the system does not work. And then the guy, he's busy trying to catch the other guy, like, hey, may God see you. You know, sometimes God just looks at you that, you know what, it's a lesson. Since my son or my daughter, you were stupid on that one. So it's bad, it's bad in this industry. And nobody's perfect, but look for people who are transparent. And then let me remove the arrows, guys. And then those who are new, I'll have another session with you because there are some things which I have to explain that I won't explain now on why we call the strategy the key level. But those who have been with us for a long time, they understand. I won't take time, guys. Basically, we are on BOM 1000. BOM 1000, we start on the daily time frame. So basically what happens is that you go to the, let me just take this. Let me just take this arrow. This was our previous candlestick for yesterday. For today, we are there, right? So where we are in there, we spot a key level there. And then we can see that this rejection there had a key level, and the key level was actually this one, which it respected. And then what is a key level? A key level, guys, is from this. Let me just try to zoom in my chart. Remember a candlestick. And then there are people who don't need to hear this, I know, but they can just stay. I won't take time. Then we'll talk about the other stuff. Remember, we've got a candlestick. A candlestick has got a body, and then a candlestick has got these things at the top and at the end. Sometimes they don't have. You've seen that. And then this we call this thing, it's shadows. Some they call them tails for reasons. And then, but the actual name is wicks. So we identify the key levels on the previous week's confirmations. And then just like what I'm explaining here. So that this candlestick where it rejected to start going up, it actually confirmed on the previous week where price has been moving. Let me just zoom out, and then I showed you there. Let me just zoom in. Let me just zoom in, and then there. That was the touch. It respected that. This respected that, and then you can even push it. I think it turned a little bit almost there, and then we can see that this actually where it is. It tried to form something like a double bottom, and then price went up. But instead of price pushing from where it was, maybe like reaching that TP on the daily, price decided to actually go back and retest the key level here. And then this was our H4. And then our daily time frame, daily time frame, that's where you start. And then you go back to 4-hour time frame just to confirm more options of where we're going to find our entry. But the horizontal line which you have put basically on daily time frame, you don't take it anywhere else. So that is where it was. And then for today, remember it's for today. So I believe the information here which we see, it happened yesterday somewhere. But for today, 4 hour before. And then let's look for maybe the other one which was possible from yesterday's information. Let me do this. Let me find another key level. Just oh my God, okay. Let me try to drag it again. I want to show you guys the multiple touches. Okay, yeah, so basically if you can look at where I've put there, you can see that there, yeah, there was a touch there. There was a touch of a key level. Even there are touches. Even here, there are touches. Even here, there are touches on those weeks. It can be at the end of them. There are those touches. And then let me just try to show you. So most of the time, whenever you have got like 3 or more touches, especially on H4 and H1, that key level is valid. And then we spot reversals. Then even this one almost touched. Then this one touched there. So this one happened previously. So it was going to enter on our first key level, and then price did reject. So even right now, it is still going up. That is H4. Then let me go to H1. I don't want to waste your time. H1.
Mr. Sidwell, sorry to interrupt, man. Before you go further,
Mhm.
I just wanted to confirm the touches. Does it matter from which direction they're touching, from the top or the bottom, or it doesn't matter? You count for both.
I don't know. I don't get you.
I mean,
Remember,
let's say for boom, we're looking for rejection to the upside for spikes, to catch the spikes. So some of those touches on the key level, they are from the candles going down, and they're touching on the key level, and some they're from the
going up.
candles going up.
It doesn't matter about that. What matters is the information which you got on the daily time frame. On this H4, H1, yes, there will be those candles whereby others they are bearish, others they are bullish, and then they are touching the same key level. That one is not a problem. The main thing, the main thing is the confirmation which you get, and then basically our OPM is here. And then remember, it's from a selling point of view. So you find the first highest, which is that one, guys. And why am I saying that one is the first highest? Because if you can put a horizontal line, our resistance here, there, we can see that this one there, like where the first point there, that is the highest, number 2 on resistance side. But and then you put on the second one. After finding the second highest, you just drag like that until reaching where price ended. And then this one, it's on resistance. Let me just try to do this, guys. I think I don't know how many minutes I'm left with, but I'll try to be as fast as possible. Then I'm looking for something. Experts. Objects. Okay, graphical, text. Okay, let me do this. Description, resistance trend. Now, I hope him sees this. Remember, I told you guys that you can actually confirm also with price action. So the resistance trend here, is this one there, right? And then answering PEM's question. And then the second thing, even here, remember price, why are we doing this? Price moves in lower low, lower highs. It's a trend, lower low, lower highs, lower low, and then lower highs. But here, the price again was correcting to answer Mr. Penwell's question. I love this, boom, because, and then here, as long as your trend, it's on point, guys. Here, you take the first one like that, on the lowest low, and then you find the second one, which is that one there, which I've just touched, and then you just drag like that. And then again, if you can look at this part here, I want to show you guys something. Objects, let me find a rectangle. If you can pay attention to here, that's like a shoulder, right? And then that's like a head. And then, guys, look at this. This thing is so powerful. Look at this confirmation which we are getting now. This, like, again, this one here, it's another what? It's another shoulder. This one, it's inverse handle shoulder. It's even confirming, like the key level strategy, it's confirming again with the pattern, number 2. And then the trend lines also, they are confirming. And then this all makes sense according to price action. So here guys, let me just do this, and then graphical, then text. But if you're struggling with how to draw a trend, a channel, I'll send you a price action PDF. I'll direct you where to read, and then support trend line like this, and then just like that. With the support trend line, it's actually the one which I just drew here. You guys can see it. This is the one. And then the other thing, Mr. Penel, you asked me about things like Nasdaq. Remember, price has been going down. So going down like that, it's an impulse move. And then here's a correction here, like this. Even though it's not perfect, but you'll get it. And then you bring another one. And then here was another phase whereby price was correcting. And then in case of Nasdaq, and then here price broke, retested here. And then the retest again, if you can check, it's retesting to confirm some key levels on the previous again, the way it's so powerful, this thing. And then the price did what? It went down. But right now here was actually our buy to catch spikes. This is why whenever you want to catch spike, you don't go here. Here is just the result to show that you know what you're doing. What we see here is just the result. Look at this. Look the way it has been spiking up. Let me just check now. Let me just run with it. Yeah, basically, this is the move on the key level. There, the rejection, there, just like that. Right now, we are there. So on the boom, I'm done. But those who are new, I'll still make time for you. I just want to polish those who have been with me for a long time. Now, I'm going to crash 1,000. All right. Now I'm going to crash 1,000. Crash 1,000, you're here. Okay. Daily time frame. Time frame daily. All right. Okay. Let me remove all the information. I want to show you guys what I see, and then delete all selected, and then let's zoom in. Okay, guys. I want you guys to pay attention. Just pay attention. I just want to show you something very, very vital, very, very important. Let me do this. Okay, 10 o'clock, I need to catch a move. Guys, if you can look at where price comes from, when you see my cursor, this was a double top, price action again. So on this price action, remember, it's a daily, I'm on a daily chart, and then there, where I've put my horizontal line, even if I can put it there, but you'll realize that previously somewhere, there's been some touches on the key level, even if I can put it there. Okay. It formed a double top, top like that. Right now it's going down. So where it's going down, let me zoom in. I want you guys to pay attention here. Where it's here, the price actually comes from here. And then on crash, we are looking for what? For selling opportunities. And then there. So here we identify our previous key levels. Our previous key levels, which is this one. The nearest one is the previous day, I believe there. If you can look at the one for previous day and the candlestick here, it's a key level. They are valid since they are two, like even on the daily time frame. If we can go to H4, you'll realize that maybe we had even more touches where price rejected there, on that one, even on the one for yesterday, there and there. We have got two valid key levels. And then let's go to H4 time frame, then H4. Let's do this. Guys, I'm left with 9 minutes, but I will be done. But if you still need more, but those who are new, I understand, guys, I'm with you. I just want to, right now, I'm trying to balance the equation of the ones who have been with me for a long time and you guys who are new. German 30 is gonna buy, and then 10 o'clock, we need to buy German 30, H4. Okay, let me try to zoom out. Okay, I can't see any further, but there and there was actually our confirmations, because I think it has been going down for a long time. So that's why it's even difficult for us to see a lot. If you can look at this on H1, right now I'm on H1, guys, just confirming what we saw on H1. And then on H1, we can just do this, a trend like that, 1, 2, and then just like that. The price was just retesting. And then with Mr. Penwell, if you can look at on H1 now, on H1, we've got, I think, a bit of more confirmations, because we've got 1, 2 there, 3 there, and even 4 here, it's like the price came across our key levels on those weeks, even though it was not on their ending, but here and there, good confirmation. And then even on this one, I believe that if we can like that, 1, 2, and then we see that the trend was just reversing, touched the key level and went down. But even if we are to try to catch it again, let me see. Let me see now if maybe it reverses. I'm sorry for being fast, guys. I just want to finish with this. But yeah, that is our key level, because I spotted some rejections on the previous. Even if I can go down there, yeah, just there. There's a key, there's some key level there whereby the price can go to 70.99. It's 70.99.5957. And it's where it had rejected on H1. Let's see what we can see on M15. I jumped M30. Let's just see. M15 is very, very good for entry, guys. M15 and H1, they're very, very good. Always make sure that whenever you do your top-down analysis, just confirm with them and then chart shift. And then here's what we see on this. It's basically something like this. It's like a shoulder. That's why I said, guys, I need you guys to learn the pattern. So that's why even right now to teach this thing, it's no longer 400, it's 600. You know why am I doing this? Because I'm not just teaching you guys the key level, I'm teaching you guys market structure. That's why I've sent you the Falcon video, top-down analysis. Number 2, I'm teaching you guys price action. Price action, yes, price action here. Like this is a head, these are two shoulders, and then price can actually come and touch here. I'm going fast. So, but the new guys, don't panic, guys. Don't panic. Don't say that our mentor is fast. I'm gonna be slow with you guys. It's just, I'm also, and then there's another key level there. Yeah, there. Yeah, there, basically. Even here, let me just pull it down. Yeah. And then if you can look at where I've put my horizontal line now, there are multiple touches, especially on here. This touches there, and then even this one's, and then on the one here, I'm just putting actually this levels. We can even do it like this. Yeah, if you can look at this one here, but there are some weeks rejection. So this one can definitely spike anytime from now. Yes, it's a key level. Check here. But remember, this came from where? Bigger time frames. We never just came to M15. Key level there. And then I'm left with 5 minutes. And then, guys, like, enjoy this thing, man. Eish, I wish you can enjoy the way I'm enjoying it now. Then the key level there. And then even here, there's just some key levels, but not that valid, but they are good for confirmation. Those ones here at the ending of the day. So here, basically, if I had to give you guys a signal, I would say that have a sell limit on 70.98.7368. And then the other one, have a sell limit on 7103.3277. And then this is crash 1000. I can give a signal on my group now, and then I'll just have to find where a stop loss is. Maybe a stop loss, we can just put it there. Let's put a stop loss there on 7108.1372. Team, I am done. Basically, I am done. Guys, talk to me. We are left with 4 minutes. Like, does it make any sense what I'm doing, or it's Chinese?
It does make sense, King. Like, on a serious note, it does make sense. I just wanted to add on this, on this head and shoulder. If the team just notices that the left shoulder, then the right shoulder. The left one is always short,
Yes.
shorter than the
Mhm.
right one.
Yes,
For
true.
those who trade patterns,
Yes, true.
so
Yeah,
they should also pay attention to that.
yeah. What Tebo guys is saying this shoulder and this shoulder, they are not the same. That's why whenever on the PDF, if you can read PDFs, this head and shoulders, yeah, it's like they're just on the same level. But obviously, in the chart, they won't give you the obvious. You need to make sense out of it. Sometimes you can even find that the double bottom is like maybe it's not exactly like a W, the way you like maybe on a PDF you'll see something like this. Something like this. Like it's obvious. It's very, very obvious. But you as a trader, you must have an eye. You must be a prophet of the market. Like I'll send you guys the PDF of price action and then the kind of patterns to focus on. You'll find something like this. Like accurate, 100%, 100%. It's so accurate. But whenever you come on the chart, it's something different. You just have to make sense based on what you see. Like on the PDF, guys, at double bottom, you'll find something like that. It's just, is this a double bottom? Yes, a double bottom is something like this. But sometimes whenever you come on the chart, you find that they will try to manipulate it a little bit. Like you can even see here it's something accurate. But here, this head and shoulder, even you just have to make sure, like it's just by experience. Whenever you spend more time on the chart, it will end up making sense. Like even this one, double bottom here. These patterns, they always repeat themselves. They always repeat. That's why with me, I believe that if really you knew market structure and you had a strategy, even if you stop trading, Mr. Penwell, something interesting, impulse move and correction. Impulse and then correction here. Correction. Mr. Penwell, I hope he is paying attention, but we'll finish this one on the advanced course. And then Mr. Penwell, it's correction. And then impulse is this move. Then it moves like this. Then the correction, then impulse, just like that. But we'll deal with this one on the advance. Team, please ask me questions before we leave. My team doesn't have questions. They are sorted. Crash 1000 is crashing down. Crash 500.
Yeah. From my side, I think I can officially say after today, I'm done with the key level. Sorted for day. So let's see. I'll just put it to use now, but I'm more clear about it than any other days. So I'm good.
And I thought I was fast, but thank you. Please don't come back again. Whenever the key levels, if you just hear me saying key level, I just know that this one is not for me.
Yeah, when you send those Zoom links, you must specify that this one is for key levels, then I'll skip.
Yeah, I'll do that, my king. Just for today, I wanted everybody on the team to be here and then understand me also where I am. Yes, Malam.
Okay.
Yes, Malam. Okay, no problem, Malam. No problem. Sharp. I'm sorry, guys. There's just somebody who's working, but at the house. So yeah, and then we're left with 2 minutes, team, and then